Quick tips for writing your first email marketing newsletter. Writing your first email marketing newsletter can be both exciting and challenging. To ensure it's effective and engaging, here are some quick tips to help you get started. Know your audience. Understand your target audience's preferences, needs, and interests. Tailor your content to resonate with them. Craft a strong subject line. Create a compelling and concise subject line to grab your readers' attention and entice them to open your email. Use a personal greeting. Address your subscribers by their names and add a personal touch to increase engagement. Provide value. Offer valuable, relevant content. These can include helpful tips, product updates, exclusive offers, or industry insights. Keep it concise. Keep your newsletter concise and to the point. Busy readers appreciate emails that get to the heart of the message quickly. Use engaging visuals. Now, incorporate eye-catching images, videos, and graphics to make your newsletter visually pleasing. A clear call to action, or CTA. Include a clear and compelling CTA that guides readers on the action you want them to take, whether it's to make a purchase, read an article, or sign up to an event. Mobile-friendly design. Now, ensure that your newsletter is optimized for mobile devices. This is because many readers will be accessing their emails on smartphones. Segment your list. If possible, segment your email list and send targeted contents to specific groups of subscribers based on their interests and behaviours. Proofread. Carefully proofread your newsletter to eliminate typos and ensure it's error-free. Professional-looking content builds trust. Test before sending. Send test emails to yourself or a small group to check for formatting issues and make sure everything looks just as intended. Send at optimal times. Choose the right time and day to send your newsletter, considering your audience's habits and relevant time zones. Include contact information. Provide a way for subscribers to contact you or your company if they have any questions or want to provide feedback. Unsubscribe option. Include an easy-to-find unsubscribe link to respect your recipient's preferences and comply with legal obligations. Analyse and learn. After sending your newsletter, analyse the open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics. Use this data to refine your future email marketing efforts. Follow email marketing regulations. You should familiarise yourself with email marketing laws, such as CAN spam in the US or GDPR in Europe, to ensure your complete compliance. Build relationships. Use your newsletter as a tool to build and nurture relationships with your subscribers. Engaged customers are more likely to become loyal customers. Make experimentations. Don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches and continuously improve your newsletter based on what works best for your target audience. Write your first email marketing newsletter as a learning experience. It's okay to refine your strategy as you go. The key is to provide value. Engage with your subscribers and maintain a consistent and professional brand image in your emails. Okay, thanks for watching. These are our top tips on how to get started with the content of your email marketing. If you found this video useful, be sure to check out some of the other videos in our series and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.